already constructed 3 homes in this particular region, in this street, and it's taken us on average around about 30 to 36 weeks build time. This particular home we're expecting, the Zeppel 25, a 250 square metre home, which is to reduce those build times using MMC by at least 10 weeks. Through the efficiencies of the site manager, particularly the pod manufacturing and bringing them to site, is the speed, the quality and less wastage on the building site. Less trades and more quality focused, and in particular, safety absolute paramount at all times. Ultimately what that means for the buyer, the Rawson Group gets the product onto market sooner than later, giving us more opportunity to sell the product quicker, and primarily the homeowner gets their home quicker and isn't left with long-standing mortgage debt throughout the course of a build. Today has been a significant milestone in building the double-storey home. We're excited that we can showcase this not only to developers but also to mums and dads that like to purchase a home off the Rawson Group. There's opportunities there for significant savings, which will be high on the agenda for them. So we're excited about what comes next for the Rawson Group in modern methods of construction.